बच्चों, इसके पहले हम लोगों ने मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस सीखा। अब हम लोग इसकी मल्टीप्लिकेशन की एक प्रॉपर्टी नॉन कम्यूटेटिविटी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस सीखेंगे, अर्थात गुणन की अक्रम विनिमेयता। इसका ये मतलब है बच्चों कि अगर दो मैट्रिसेस A और B हैं और उनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन AB और BA दोनों ही डिफाइंड परिभाषित है, इसका ये मतलब है कि मैट्रिक्स A का ऑर्डर क्या है 2 क्रॉस 3 और मैट्रिक्स B का ऑर्डर है 3 क्रॉस 2। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि मैट्रिक्स AB का ऑर्डर क्या होगा। मैट्रिक्स AB का ऑर्डर होगा, क्योंकि इसका नंबर ऑफ कॉलम मैट्रिक्स A का और मैट्रिक्स B के नंबर ऑफ रोज के सेम है, इसलिए AB का ऑर्डर होगा 2 क्रॉस 2। इसी तरह से तो हम BA जब लिख लेते हैं, मान लीजिए B को पहले लिखते हैं, A को बाद में लिखते हैं, तो यहाँ पर आप देखिए B का ऑर्डर 3 क्रॉस 2 है, तो इसके नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स ये मैट्रिक्स A के नंबर ऑफ रोज की इक्वल है। इसलिए इस मैट्रिक्स का मैट्रिक्स BA का ऑर्डर क्या होगा बच्चों 3 क्रॉस 3। मतलब हम AB को भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं और B को पहले लिख के A से भी कर सकते हैं। लेकिन यहाँ पे हमें ये देखना है कि अगर AB और BA दोनों डिफाइंड हैं तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू मैट्रिसेस इज नॉट ऑलवेज कम्यूटेटिव। दिस इज नोन एज नॉन कम्यूटेटिविटी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स। इसको हम लोग इस एग्जाम्पल से प्रूफ करेंगे। जैसे A मैट्रिक्स है, इसको हम लोग लिख लेते हैं, ये है 1 -2 3 और सेकेंड रो इज -4 2 and 5। मैट्रिक्स B is 2 3 4 5 2 1। As I have already told you how to multiply two matrices, so first we'll write corresponding multiplication of first row and first column. You see now 1 into 2 minus 2 into 4 and 3 into 2. This will make first element of the first row of the matrix AB. So 1 into 2 is 2, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 and 3 into 2 is plus 6. This is the first element. Now first row second column. First row second column means 1 into 3 is 3, minus 2 into 5 is minus 10 and 3 into 1 is plus 3. Now second row first column. So this will be minus 4 into 2 minus 8, 2 into 4 plus 8, 5 into 2 plus 10. This is the first element of the second row. Now for the second element of the second row, we'll take second row and second column. So minus 4 into 3 is minus 12, 2 into 5 is plus 10 and 5 into 1 is plus 5. So you can see this matrix AB has the order 2 cross 2, as I have already told you. So now we'll solve it further. So what we get, you can see 2 minus 8 plus 6. It means 0. Again you see 3 plus 3 is 6 minus 10. This will be 6 minus 10 is minus 4. And this is minus 8 plus 8 cancelled. So this is plus 10 and this will be 10 plus 5 15. 15 minus 12 is how much? Plus 3. So this is the matrix AB having order 2 cross 2. Now we'll see what is the product matrix BA. For this we have to write matrix B first, and matrix B is here. First row 2 3, second row 4 5 and third row is 2 1. Matrix A is here 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 2 and 5. So in the same way we will multiply. So you can see order of this matrix is 3 cross 2 and order of matrix B is 2 cross 3. So we will have a product matrix of order 3 cross 3. For this we will multiply first row first column. first row first column is 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. Then first row second column, that is 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 3 into 2 is plus 6. Now first row third column, so 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 5 is 15. So now in this way we got first row. Now for second row first column, second row second column, and second row third column. So first second row first column, 4 into 1 is 4, 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. Second row second column, 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, and 5 into 2 is 5 2 is 10. Then second row second column, now second row third column, so 4 3 is 12 and 5 5 is 15. So we got in this way second row. Now in the same way we will get third row. For third row we have to multiply corresponding elements of third row to first column, third row to second column, and third row to third column. So first third row to first column, that is 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into minus 4 is minus 4. Then third row second column, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, 1 into 2 is plus 2, and then third row third column, that is 2 3 is 6, and 1 into 5 is 5. So in this way we are getting matrix BA. Now 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12 is minus 10, minus 4 plus 6 is plus 2, and 6 plus 15 is 21. Similarly 4 minus 12 is 4 minus 12 is, sorry children, this is what we have done here. Second row first column, 4 ones are 4, and 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. This is minus 20. So this will become minus 16. Now this is minus 4 plus 2 is minus 8 plus 10 is plus 2, and 12 plus 15 is, this will be 12 plus 15 is 27. Let me confirm this. This is second row third column. 5 5s are 25. Okay, 5 5s are 25. So this is 37. Similarly for third row, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, minus 4 plus 2 is minus 4, plus 2 is again minus 2, and 6 plus 5 is 11. So you can see order of the matrix BA is 3 cross 3. What was the order of the matrix AB? 2 cross 2, and this matrix AB is entirely different from the matrix BA. So we can say AB is not equal to BA. So product of two matrices, if they both products are defined, then it is non-commutative. But sometimes product is commutative given that if the two matrices of the same order, I am taking again an example. So children, I am taking example for this when product is commutative. For this, if we take two matrices of the same order and they are diagonal matrix you remember, in which only diagonal elements are non-zero, other elements are zero, and square matrix means matrix having the same order. So if we take diagonal matrix of the same order, then product is commutative. We can take this by an example. For example, I am taking matrix A. This is suppose 1 0 0 2. This matrix is A. You can see it is a square matrix as well as diagonal matrix of order 2 cross 2. Again I am taking another matrix, and this matrix is suppose 2, 0, 0, 3. This is also an example of diagonal matrix having order 2 cross 2. Both have same order and both are diagonal matrix. Then we take AB. For AB, we have to write both matrices 1, 0, 0, 2 and 2, 0, 0, 3. And when we multiply, children, I am writing it directly. You can see 1, 0 into 2 into 0. So 1 into 2 is 2, 0 into 0 is 0. So we are getting the element 2. Now first row, second column. First row, second column, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 3 is 0. Similarly, now second row, first column, 0 into 2 is 0 and 2 into 0 is again 0. Now second row, second column, 0 into 0 is 0, 2 into 3 is 6. So you can see matrix AB is 2, 0, 0, 6. Now I am taking matrix BA. For BA I have to write matrix B first. So 2, 0, 0, 3. And what is matrix A? 1, 0, 0, 2. So I am multiplying it directly. First row, first column. So 2 into 1 plus 0 into 0. So this is 2. Now first row, second column. 2 into 0 and 0 into 2. 0. Now second row, first column. That is 0 into 1 and 3 into 0. Now second row, second column, 0 into 0 plus 3 into 2, 6. You can compare both matrices are same. So AB is equals to BA only when order of the two matrices are same and both are diagonal matrix. Now